Hello friends, my name is Sachil and once again welcome back to channel Tech Today. First of all, let's watch PowerPoint magic. Friends, I really feel you are desperate to learn such a wonderful PowerPoint trick. So let's delete this work. And now open a new PowerPoint file. Let's delete the layout. Now go to the shape option which is under insert menu bar and select a rectangular shape. Draw the shape and cover full slide and change the color of the shape from blue to black. Then go to the format shape option by right clicking on mouse. Click on lines. Then no line option to be selected. Now once again click on shape option under insert menu bar and let's select one more rectangular shape and draw it at center of the slide. Let's double click on the shape and write some text, forest in capital. Now change its font type and size. Friends, I have already made a video on how to change font type and size. And link of the same is also given in the description box. By clicking on it, you can learn in details about usage of font in PowerPoint. Now select the shape under which the text is written. Then go to the format shape, then fill, click on no fill option. Here you will see the text got transparent. Now click on no line option under line given in format shape. Friends, now I am going to use magic trick. So let's select both the shape together. But first shape to be selected must be big shape which is without text. And next is shape with text. Now click on shape format option from menu bar. Then merge shape and click on combine. Here you will see both the shapes are merged. Now I will insert a video by clicking on insert. Then video option. Here I will select videos from my PC. And let's select a video and insert it. Now let's right click on video from mouse and click on send to back option. So friends, let's do a slideshow and play the video. That's it friends. Kindly offer your comments in the comment section. How do you like these contents so that I will work upon it and bring various tricks of Microsoft Office. Now friends, I will do the same steps and make 2 more slides with different videos. So let's get started. First of all, open a slide. Delete the layout. Then insert the shape 1, change the color and select no line option. Now draw the another shape. Let's write in the shape and change its font type and size. Now change the background of shape and click on no line option. Let's select the big shape first, then small shape and click on shape format. Then merge shape and lastly click on combine. Now insert a video. Send it back now. Let's play and see. Let's make one more video behind the text. Friends, this time you also try in your PCs to enhance PowerPoint skills. Friends, I hope you like this content. If so, kindly give thumbs up to this video, share with your friends, and if you are first time visiting to our channel, kindly subscribe it. And also do not forget to hit the bell icon to get the instant notification about our latest videos. Thank you friends. We'll meet soon with next video.